Welcome to Bitcoin Profits. First, I would like to congratulate you on getting serious about your economic future and joining us on the winning side. Now, I'm your instructor and my name is Osamede Arunde. Now, I'm an active investor in the cryptocurrency markets today. I'll also have a few other experts join us during the course of this program. Now, in this program, we are going to explore how you can start investing and trading Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies profitably. Now, I do encourage you to get a notepad, and as we go along, write down action steps that right after the program you can go and execute on. Execution is everything. Because the truth is this, the stakes are just too high for you to tiptoe around life or to tiptoe around a program just like this. So I highly recommend that you lock yourself down and watch this complete training. Look, make a commitment to yourself that you will complete it and implement the strategies that are covered here. Look, your future self will thank you for it later. Here is to building wealth, shattering old paradigms, and building new ones. Thank you once again for joining us in this program, and I am looking forward to your success.